Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So today we'll be discussing the current affairs of the month April 2021. So starting with the Oscars, we all know that Oscars are one of the very best awards which are given for the films in different categories. So recently in the year 2021, Shol Zhao, she was named as the best director at this 2021 Oscar Awards. This awards was given in Los Angeles, and the Zhao, she has won this award for her film which is known as Nomadland. So these you have to remember. Next, in India, the DBS Bank, it has been named as the best international bank in India. So this is a key term, which is a DBS Bank. Next, the Tourism and Cultural Minister, who is Mr. Prahlad Singh Patel, recently he has inaugurated the first ever online exhibition. So this you have to remember. It's an online exhibition on Ramayana. Okay. So we all know that Ramayana is a very popular mythological scripture in India. So this Tourism and Culture Minister has inaugurated the online exhibition, and this is the first time it has happened. Giant, you might have seen the advertisement of Byju's. They are providing the app and they are providing the learning classes for the schools. So now these Byju's company, they have acquired the educational institution Akash Educational Services. Akash is a very popular institute, so now Byju's has acquired them. So these you have to remember. Next, so recently the Chief Justice of India is Mr. Nathulapati Venkata. So he was appointed as the 48th Chief Justice of India, which is known as CJI. So this is the you have to remember. This is important. And also one more thing you have to remember is the Chief Justice of India as well as the judges of Supreme Court are being appointed by the President, and President appoints them using the clause 2 of the Article 124. So these you have to remember. So all these judges are being appointed by the President using the powers under the Article 124, and the current Chief Justice of India is Mr. Venkatramana. Next, now recently K. Madhavan, he has been appointed as the president of the Walt Disney Company and the Star India. Walt Disney, they are into many animation making movies and all. So this is a popular company. So just remember that Madhavan has been appointed as the president of this company along with the Star India. Next, recently Union Education Minister, he has launched the world's first microsensor based explosive trace detector, which is also known as ETD. In airports and all, this ETD is used for the presence of explosives and narcotics. Explosives are like bombs and all, whereas narcotics is like some of the materials like heroin, ganja and all. So these ETD are used to detect these materials. So this is the first of its kind. It's a microsensor based, and the name has been given to as a nano sniffer. So just remember this term, that nano sniffer is the latest ETD which is based on a microsensor technology. Okay. Next, all that election commission in India, they conduct the elections and they are the primary responsibility for conducting elections all over the India. So currently, recently, Mr. Sushil Chandra, he has been appointed as the chief election commissioner. Okay, so you have to remember this. Sushil Chandra is the current chief election commissioner. Next, recently, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, he has been appointed as the chairman of the Airports Authority of India. So Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, this you have to remember, he's the chairman, current chairman. Next, recently one of the famous journalists was Mr. Rohit Sardana. He was a journalist of Aaj Tak TV channel. So he just passed away recently. Okay, just remember the name Rohit Sardana. He was a very famous journalist. Next, recently, Russia, they have developed a new vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine for animals. Okay, these you have to remember, for animals, and the name they have given is Carnivac Cove. So this is the world's first ever COVID-19 vaccine for the animals. Like it has been now tested on dogs, cats, and many other small animals. So it's a first of its kind. It is being developed by Russia. So this you have to remember. Next, we all know that in the COVID-19 disease, lungs are being affected the most, and many patients are uh, having oxygen issues. So now recently, one of the technique which is being suggested by Ministry of Health Affairs is the proning. So proning is one of the technique where the patient will lie on his stomach and he will be using 4 to 5 pillows. So this is proved to be greater benefit, like temporarily you can increase the oxygen level for the patient. So these you just remember proning. Okay. Next. Recently the NASA, which is they have actually launched a successful first flight of the, which is the known as Ingenuity. Okay. It is a helicopter, and now they have flighted this on the Mars. Mars is a planet which is also known as the red planet. Okay. So these you have to remember. Ingenuity is a helicopter name, and they have successfully done a flight on this Mars. And then along with this, they have also sent one Moxie. So it was on this Perseverance rover, and what they were able to do with this is they were able to produce the oxygen from this Mars atmosphere. Okay. So just remember that Moxie term, and you can remember the full form. It was able to extract the oxygen from the Mars atmosphere. Recently the Sanskrit has been given more preference, and like in order to promote the learning of the Sanskrit language, application which is a mobile based application has been dedicated for this, which is known as a Little Guru. Okay, just remember this Little Guru is an application for learning the Sanskrit. Next, this COVID-19 cases are now India is currently having the second wave, and like most of it's attributed to the double variant of COVID-19. It has been detected in India, and it has been classified under the name B1.B.1.617. So it is known as a double variant. Okay. So just remember the second wave in India is mostly caused by this double mutant of COVID-19, which is a B.1.617. And also recently in the last week, a triple mutant variant, which is also mostly found in West Bengal, is also known as a Bengal strain. So this also has been detected in India, and it is being called the B1.6.8. So this is a triple variant. Okay. Just remember the names they can ask in the exam. Okay. Next, in the times of COVID-19 pandemic, since I have said oxygen is one of the key, patients are finding difficult for getting the oxygen. So there is a one equipment which is the oxygen concentrator. It is a medical device that concentrates oxygen from the ambient air. So like what it does, from the air it can extract some oxygen, and like from up to 5 to 10 liters per minute, this oxygen concentrator can be used to generate this much amount of oxygen per minute. Okay, this can be used to give for the mild COVID-19 symptoms patients. The normally the in ICUs and ventilators, the oxygen supply it demands is more. It is up to 50 liters, whereas this oxygen concentrator is only capable of giving to 5 to 10 liters. So it can be given in emergency use for a patients who are having a COVID-19 mild symptoms. Okay. Next, recently Vistara Airlines they have offered to fly doctors and nurses of the government organizations free of cost. So the part of corporate social responsibility, they have come up with an initiative. The Suez Canal, the famous Suez Canal, which connects the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea, it was being blocked by the a large container vessel which was from the MV Ever Given. Okay, just remember this. Because of this, a lot of shipping was halted, and this is a very popular canal, and it is mostly connecting the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. Recently, the Indian Railways have actually completed the arc of this world's highest railway bridge, which is being constructed across the river of Chenab. Okay, so this bridge, once it's constructed, it will be the world's largest, highest railway bridge. So they have recently developed, means completed the arc closure of this bridge. Okay. So these are some of the important current affairs for the month of April 2021. So if you have liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. And thank you for watching.